One of the popular link baiting technique that's just taking the internet by storm is infographics. And here I have an example of what an infographic, looks like. It pretty much sums up a particular subject or title and gives you the overall of this particular subject. For example, look at this: when small businesses have a golden opportunity to seize new growth opportunities. And it just goes through, and I expand that more. 2 out of 5 would like to use mobile social network, blah blah. And as you go through it, it's very clear and it's very distinct, and it gets straight to the point. You can get your message across. Here's another one. They're very basic, they're very simple, but when people read it, it's just captivating because it gives you so much information, within a particular frame. So what you want to do is you want to, think about investing in infographics as a method for you to generate traffic to your website, because these can, drive tremendous traffic to your website overnight if done well. So you want to make sure that you get someone that know how to create a perfect infographics for the particular content that you're looking for.